gosh, you're so spicy.
Hello and welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video is something slightly different. It's actually showing off an installation that we've carried out to Dan's vehicle here. So Dan's been working with us for around about 2 years now, and just as a little bit of a thank you to him, what we've done is completely kitted out his car with an Audison Prima sound system. So he's really excited to get inside this vehicle. It's his first car that he's owned, and what we've done is completely kitted out. We've been talking about this since he joined with us around about 2 years ago, and he's been really excited to get his hands on a piece of audio equipment. And just as a little bit of a thank you for providing customers with great service, but also looking after our customers and also working with us really nicely, helping out with every single element of our business. What we've done is kitted out the car. So what we're going to be doing is going to be stepping into the vehicle very shortly. We're going to be seeing his first reaction of his new sound system. In terms of setup that we've got an Audison Prima APK three-way system. So we flushed a tweeter into the door, we've got a 4-inch in there as well, and we've got the 6.5-inch woofer. And then in the back, we've got a really nice compact active Audison 8-inch sub, which is providing a load of bass to the vehicle. But we'll let Dan's expressions and first experience showcase that. But if you're new to our channel, just make sure you press the subscribe button by pressing the link below. But let's get started. So what you've got here, Dan, is the Audison Prima AP1 flushed into your door card. You got the 4-inch there, and then you got a 6.5. It's all running off your factory radio. You can't see your sub. Yep. And you got a really neat looking sub remote down here, which you can gain and turn that up and down as you like. But let's turn it up for now, yeah? Okay. Yeah. So this is your CD. Hear that bass? Yeah. Yeah? Yeah, that is good. That is strong bass. Told you it'd rock. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's amazing. That is very good. On an 8-inch sub, that is incredible. That's very good. That's cool. That is very impressive. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. Yeah. So this is a bit more clarity. Okay, yeah. So we'll turn the sub down a little bit. Baby, you don't have to keep looking through. Yeah, that is amazing. Yeah, that's great. Yeah. We can't even say 2 words without a fight anymore. That sounds brilliant. Yeah, that's great. Yeah. So we're all done here, and Dan's absolutely over the moon with the finished product. I'm sure he's going to love driving home tonight with his new sound system. So it's just again a little thank you to Dan for all the hard work that he's put into making our customers so happy, but also for all the hard work that he's put in over the last 2 years. So thank you very much, Dan, for your service, and also enjoy your new ride. Thank you. So once again, if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button by hitting the link below. But thank you very much, guys, and we're all done here. Thank you.